What's up, YouTube? I'm Marcos.
I'm Derek.
And we are
BrokeFamTV.
We're going to be doing a bunch of DIYs, vlogging, car-related photography and video. You know, a lot of fun shit. We're going to do our first episode today. We're going to be installing some downpipes on my 335i. It's already tuned, but we need some downpipes to get some more power out of it. So
let's head to the shop.
Let's go. Alright, so we just arrived at the shop.
We're about to put downpipes on Marcos 335i.
So yeah, we're going to do sort of like a DIY. We're not going to go through every single step on how to do it. But yeah, let's get to it.
Alright, let me get behind the camera and Marcos will show you what to do.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so we got the VRSF downpipes. And I already opened them because they arrived yesterday. It's pretty good. I highly recommend these if you're in the market of buying some, but see the quality welding. I think it took like 2 days for them to get here, something like that. This is one of them. So yeah, also has the VRSF logo on the side. So you know what's up. And then comes with new hardware. Comes with the new gaskets. But these are the turbo gaskets. They should always also replace because you don't know how long I mean, it's from the factory, so you don't know how bad they are, but these are the turbo gaskets, you know, 2 of them. And that's pretty much it. The box that it came with. It's a little bubble wrap, so it's pretty secure. And we got a little cheap table we use to, you know, hold them with the box. Yeah, we're going to be installing these on the new 335i I just got about 2 months ago. It's going to be your official first mod, so let's get to it. So we took off the skid plate, but we're going to use this rust inhibitor just in case your bolts are rusty, which it doesn't really matter because we're going to replace them anyways, but it'll be a lot easier to take off. And you can see it's easy. Spray it on there. You can buy these at AutoZone or whatever for like 10 bucks or 9 bucks, I don't know. But we work at the shop, so we get them for free.
Got him! Got him!
So while we're letting that soak, we're just gonna take these off. It's basically a mount that holds the exhaust. To take these off, you have to have it's called E-sockets, but you can see it on the inside. They're like reversed torque sockets. One more thing, make sure you keep all these together, because if you don't install these rubber mounts, you're gonna hear a rattle on your exhaust when you put it back on. Sprayed it, it's still broke. Alright, so we're taking this cover off to get to the connectors for the top O2 sensors, which I was supposed to do before I put it up in the air. It's all good. It's only 2 bolts holding it. Slides right out. Yep, no pressure needed. Son of a bitch. That's not good. Oh, there you go. Pretty easy. You know, no struggle. Easy. And right here, this is the actual connectors for them. But make sure you flip it all the way around before taking them out. Before unplugging them, I guess. And then squeeze right here. Comes right out. Then technique for the next one. Squeeze right here. Comes right out. And this one should pop. And there we go. 1 and 2. Because we gotta remove this to get the downpipes out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 16mm bolts. That's it. that we have that off, we can start taking these sensors out. There's one.
Like nothing.
Like nothing. Easy. Easy. Now we can take off the, I think they're called V-bands or something like that. But that you probably can't see just because it's so high. Well, if you look, come here. There you go.
Yep.
So it's that right there. That's also a 13mm. So yeah, you can kind of see it through there, but through the steering rack. Oh man, these are loose.
Loose?
Yeah, that's loose. It ain't good, but
Yeah, that's not good.
I couldn't fit my hand in here for the second downpipe, so we gotta use this 16. I think it's a 16. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's a 16.
Oh, you
Yeah. But yeah, so this comes right out. Hard to get to, but not too bad.
A little dust and road debris.
A little dusty.
Doesn't hurt you.
Nah. We'll get more room right there. And then stick your hand here. And you should be able to reach. So yeah, there's the clamp. Already out. You just gotta slide the downpipe out. This is kind of stuck with rust, so we're gonna smack it a little bit. Alright, we're good. There we go. So yeah, there we go. So I forgot that there was two nuts back here holding the cats in place, but just two nuts.
These nuts. Got him!
So yeah, I think it's easier if you take this thing off, but fine.
5 hours later.
Holy crap. Oh, there it is. Wow. There it is. Oh. Alright. Make sure this wires don't get. Whoa! Oh, look at that. She's out here.
Nice and easy.
Nice and easy. So, I think the easiest way to take these out is take out the front one first. Oh, this is the bracket I was talking about, right here. You see, it's holding the cats. Well, we're not gonna need that anymore because the new downpipes don't have these things right here. So we can just take that completely off. Twist it a little bit so you don't smack the sensor. Go. Now we gotta get these O2 sensors, put them into the new ones. This gasket is what I was talking about. This one goes right there. Just take it right off, and this one was pretty smushed just because it's been there for a while. But, and we have replacements. So go in like this. Right, so these are the new gaskets that we're throwing in there. We got rid of the old ones, and then the downpipes come with new bolts. So throw it in there. Alright, so we're done putting on the downpipes. You know, bolted this back up. Got the new hardware. We put the sensors where they're supposed to go, right on the brackets, just like that. We got the V-bands tight. The cables are still hanging in there. We just got to fish them back up to plug them in, and that's it. All right, so we finished it up, plugged up the O2 sensors, tightened everything up, put the cover back on, all the brackets, everything's in there. So yeah, let's give it a go and see how it sounds.
27 hot, bitch.
See them gains. That was 70 miles an hour on second gear.
Pulls hard.
Pulls hard. Yeah, definitely a big difference.
All right, we're back from the shop. Install went good. Everything sounds good.
The car runs great. We inserted a few clips you guys saw of doing what? We did 2 pulls, right?
Some
We did some pulls.
Car's loud as shit now.
It's loud. It's loud. It'll wake up your neighbors. Nah, that's not that loud, but it sounds good. There's no drone obviously because the rest of the exhaust is stock, but it's all good and that'll change eventually. If you want to gain some power, definitely go for those. They're VRSF downpipes. I'm broke and I can afford them, so you can too, you know.
Follow us on our Instagram page and subscribe.
And if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, comment. And if you did, comment again. I don't know. Shit. And for the next video, we're going to do a rebuild on these BBS RF.
Must be nice, huh?
BBS RS 3-piece wheels. I'm going to be installing them on my 839 again. So I'll have a stance car and hopefully a track car by the summer, right? Yeah. So make sure to leave a comment like I said and share this video. We out.
Peace.